Hey everyone, my name is AJ, and about 9 months ago, I decided to follow my dreams and start a business. My wife and I sold our house in the city, we moved out here to the country, bought this house, and we used the difference in price to start Design the Everything. And the house came with this giant shop, and we bought this 2,000-pound mill. And my wife bought a whole flock of chickens. We launched a Kickstarter, and it did super well. But that is where things kind of started to take a little bit of a downturn. I had this problem where there were 100 things that I had to do that were all demanding my attention, but I could only do 10 of them at a time, and I was doing those 10 poorly.
Hey Scott, it's AJ. How would you like to come work for DTE?
So this is Scott. He started working full-time about 2 weeks ago. Having a second person to design the everything has been huge. You would think that adding one more person would mean twice as much productivity, but really Scott does what I'm bad at and I can do what Scott is bad at, so we're only doing the stuff we're good at, which is really like having 3 people. And I suppose now is a good time to talk about the reason that we're actually all here. Design the Everything made another carabiner. We call it the Not So Tactical Carabiner. It is designed to be the most untactical carabiner possible, because we think the idea of tactical everyday carry is kind of dumb. Why be boring and blend in when you can stand out and have nice, bright, fun colors? The Not So Tactical Carabiner builds on a lot of the things that we learned during the Not for Climbing Carabiner campaign. It's a little bit heavier, but I think the design is much more elegant, and there's so many different options for customizability. This campaign will let Design the Everything keep running as a business. It'll help me continue my dream of being a business owner. It'll let Scott continue to keep doing what he is good at and let him grow as a designer. And it'll let my wife keep her chickens.